Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good
Sir, today can we do that quiz, please?
Quiz.
Sir, in your phone you can download a app. Its name is Quiz. Ahuja sir did that only, and we did 4-5 quiz. You have to share
Okay.
a link in the chat box. First, you have to download the app.
Okay. You will have to download the app. Students.
Sir, you have to download. I
And
have that app.
Ahuja sir asked you all to download that application.
No, sir, he didn't ask. I was telling so that we can do a quiz on that.
No, it was required to students, required for students also to download the app, or only the teacher?
Sir, the teacher can download. Students can do from Google Web or Chrome.
The teacher can.
Sir, the teacher have to download, and the students can also do it from Chrome and Web.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Just a minute. Let me see. Okay, I'm searching.
Okay. Sir. Sir, this app.
Which one?
Sir, I'm showing on my screen.
Okay. Just wait.
Okay. Sir.
Data, I am not able to find it.
Play Store.
Hmm. I'm not downloading the application. I'm searching it on the web. I wanted to open the website. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let's start the topic that we were doing in the last class. Let's continue with that. So yes, we have done exercise 5.3. Now we have to start exercise 5.4. Before starting the exercise 5.4, let me explain what is the meaning of LCM. Do you all know what is LCM?
Sir, least common multiple.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of least common multiple?
Which is the smallest number
Hmm.
but common in all the.
But a common multiple of two numbers. Okay, let us understand this with the help of an activity. कल हमने एक activity करी थी. Am I right?
Yes.
Yesterday we did
But sir, you
not
must
not
check
not
which-
yesterday, day before
which-
yesterday we did an activity. Okay. Let's do something similar to that here on the screen. ये एक blue circle मैंने बना दिया. इसके बाद मैं एक yellow circle भी बना देता हूँ. This is the yellow circle. Okay, एक blue एक yellow circle मैंने बना लिए. And now suppose this blue circle represents multiples of of 6. Blue circle. Yellow circle क्या show कर रहा है? Multiples of 8. Yellow circle is showing multiples of 8. ठीक है? And ये बीच वाला region किस काम आता है? What is the use?
Then something is same.
Common
Sorry,
multiple.
something that is-
हाँ, तो ये बीच वाले को I am marking with pink color. ठीक है, ये pink color होता है. Let me make a boundary of pink color. Okay, this is for common multiples.
Yes.
ठीक है. What are we doing? We are trying to understand the meaning of LCM. LCM or least common multiple.
Least common multiple.
ठीक है. We are trying to understand the meaning of this. Now I am giving you some numbers. मैं कुछ numbers आप लोगों को देता हूँ. You will be choosing that these numbers will come in which region. कौन से region में आएंगे? Blue, yellow और pink. Okay, I am writing some numbers here. 36, 42, 48, 64, 16, 12, 18, 24, 56. Okay, so I have written a lot of numbers here. Let us select these numbers one by one and start filling them in the appropriate region. So first number is 36. All of you all will tell me where to
Sir,
put
blue.
36.
Sir, blue.
Blue,
Sir,
correct,
blue circle.
absolutely correct, because 36 is only a multiple of 6. सो 36 को उठाया हमने और फिल कर दिया इन द ब्लू रीजन. ओके 36. ऐसा करते हैं, स्कोरिंग से ही फिल करते हैं. 36. 42. Yes. Is it a multiple of 6 or a multiple of 8?
Multiples of 6.
It is a multiple of 6. So this will also come in
Sir,
blue.
blue.
42. What about 48?
Sir, in the yellow circle.
Sir, yellow
48 is
circle.
a multiple of 8. You all know that 48 is a
Yes, sir.
multiple of 8. Is it not
Yes,
a
sir.
multiple of 6?
Sir, it
Six
is come in the
multiple.
common multiples
Sir, it is
circle.
common multiples.
Sir, it is a
48,
common.
it is also a multiple of 6. So that means 48 is a multiple of 8 as well as 6. Therefore, it is a common multiple. So we will put it in
Yes,
the
sir.
pink region. 48 will
Yes,
go
sir.
in the pink region,
Common.
common region.
Yes.
Clear? 64 बताइए. Yes, 64 is blue, yellow or pink?
Sir, yellow.
Yellow.
64 will go in the yellow region. Absolutely correct.
Yellow. Sir, yellow.
Because 64 is only a multiple of 8. 16.
Blue. Yellow.
Yellow
yellow,
again
yellow.
because
Yellow.
it is only a multiple of 8. 12.
Sir, yellow. मतलब blue, blue.
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 12 is a multiple of 6 but not a multiple of 8. 18.
Sir, yellow.
Blue.
18. Again only a multiple of
Sir,
6.
blue.
18 is a multiple of 6, not a multiple of 8.
Sir.
24.
Sir, it.
Yellow. Yellow.
Sir, yellow.
24 is a
Sir,
multiple of
common.
both. Pink region.
Sir, pink.
24 6 के टेबल में भी आता है, 8 के टेबल में भी आता है. So it is a common multiple. 56.
Blue.
Sir, blue.
Yellow. Yellow.
56 is a multiple of.
I mean yellow.
Sir,
Is
blue.
it
Yellow.
is
The
is
yellow.
56 a multiple of 6 or not? 6 के टेबल में 56
pink.
देखा आपने?
No, sir.
नहीं देखा.
No,
8
sir.
के टेबल में 56
Sir,
देखा
yellow.
आपने? Yes, 56
Yes, sir.
आता है. 8 into 7 is 56. तो 8 के टेबल में 56 आता है. So that means 56 will go in the yellow region. Okay. So which of these, the main thing is the common multiples. Common multiples कौन से निकले? उनको जरा लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पर.
24 and 48.
Common multiples are 2. एक है 24 and the other one is 48. These are the two common multiples. है ना? So but which one of the two is the smaller? 24 छोटा है या 48 छोटा है?
24.
24.
24 is the
24.
smaller. So that means we are going to call 24 as the LCM. 24 क्या है यहाँ पर? LCM. It is the least lowest common multiple. Least भी बोल सकते हैं, lowest भी बोल सकते हैं. So 24 is a common multiple. 48 भी common multiple, but we cannot call 48 as the LCM. क्यों नहीं बोल सकते हैं 48 को LCM क्यों नहीं बोल सकते हैं?
Because it is not the least.
Because it is not the least common multiple. The least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. Have you all
24.
understood what is the meaning of LCM? Meaning समझ में आया? What is the meaning of
Yes, sir.
LCM?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Now, what about the quiz?
What about the quiz? Quiz, beta, I will be searching for it. Let's complete this
Sir,
chapter first. उसके
sir,
बाद
I searched it on Google. It was coming join a game.
join again. What?
Sir, I searched on Google the app and it was showing join a game. I clicked and I went on that website.
I will search for it. Don't worry. Let us first complete the chapter. Okay.
This on Google. It was showing.
Okay, but I will search later on and then we will have it. Okay. So Yes, everyone. We have understood the meaning of LCM. Now let us see what is the method of finding LCM. There is a very easy method to find LCM of two numbers. Okay. So सबसे पहले तो we can first just find out the common multiples of two numbers. उसके बाद LCM हम निकाल सकते हैं. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I tell?
Now what is the proper method? ये तो हमने एक activity करी उसको perform किया. So we are still studying the topic LCM. Suppose if I tell you to find out the LCM of 6 and 8. क्या question है हमारे पास? You don't have to do this in your copy. अभी सिर्फ हम LCM का meaning समझ रहे हैं. Don't worry. And we are understanding the method of finding LCM. Okay. So you don't have to worry at all. Nothing you have to note down. Find the LCM, that means lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. Don't write in your copy. So first you will write multiples of first few multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 लिखेंगे पहले हम. कौन कौन से होते हैं? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and so on. बहुत सारे. ठीक है. Similarly, we will write some multiples of 8 also. This is the method how we can find LCM. Okay. I hope you all are getting it. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. ठीक है. Many more multiples of 8, infinite multiples we can write, but इतना required नहीं है. तो ये तो हमने लिख लिए multiples कौन से हैं 6 और 8 के. ठीक है. Let us just circle the common multiples. मैं अब यहाँ पे क्या करने वाला हूँ? You all will tell me. With your help I will do it. Can you tell me ऐसे कौन से multiples हैं जो common है? That means दोनों में दिख रहे हैं आपको.
Sir,
Which are the common
24,
multiples?
24
24 को circle कर
and
लेते हैं
48.
and
48.
48 को
48.
circle कर लेते हैं. और भी कोई है यहाँ पर?
No,
Is there
sir.
any other? तो ये तो common multiples हो गए. Let's write the common multiples. Common multiples are 24 and 48. Which one is the lowest common multiple? Lowest कौन सा इन दोनों में से? छोटा वाला कौन सा
Sir,
है?
24.
24. अभी हमने वही निकाला था उस एक्टिविटी में. एक्टिविटी से आंसर वही आया था.
Yes, sir.
So this is the proper method of finding LCM. Understood? Is it easy or not?
Sir, means with the number, then the
super
numbers
easy.
in the common multiples which are lesser, they are called lowest common multiples.
Absolutely right. The smaller common multiple out of the common multiples is known as the lowest common multiple. Got it, all of you? समझ में आया? एक
Yes,
आइडिया
sir.
मिल गया आपको क्या होता है LCM?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us start doing the exercise. All of you, please write down the heading, exercise 5.4. Write down the heading as exercise 5.4.
Sir, in notebook.
Yes, in the notebook. Exercise 5.4. Write the first 4 common multiples of the following numbers. No problem. Very easy task. First part 3 and 5. हमको LCM नहीं निकालना, हमसे ये नहीं कहा क्या कि LCM निकालो, हमसे क्या कह रहे हैं, हमसे कह रहे हैं write first 4 common multiples of these two numbers 3 and 5. So first you will write multiples of 3. कुछ multiples लिख लेते हैं.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Gaurav sir, we have done with Gaurav sir question 1 till question 6.
In this exercise you have already done this. No problem beta,
Yes,
कोई
sir.
बात नहीं, दोबारा कर लेते हैं. Some students must not have
Sir,
attended
we
that
have
class.
done in book, not in notebook.
We are doing in the notebook. You have to do this in the notebook.
Yes, sir. Sir, Ahuja sir made us do it in book.
नहीं बेटा, कॉपी में करेंगे. So multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 थोड़े से लिख लिए and so on. ज्यादा नहीं लिखने पड़ेंगे. Multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Okay, these are multiples of 5. Now common multiples कौन से?
Sir, 15 and 30.
15.
Common multiple.
Sir, 15 and 30. 30.
You can write as many common multiples as you want. अगर आपको एक भी मिल गया तो आप सारे लिख लेंगे, बहुत सारे लिख सकते हैं. So I am going to circle the common multiple from these. 15 is common. Am I right? दोनों में 15 है.
And 30.
30 will also be there. लेकिन वो हम कैसे निकालेंगे? अगर हमको एक कॉमन मल्टीपल मिल गया और हमें जितने भी निकालने हैं, we can find it very easily. What is the method? किसी को पता?
Sir, 15 is the lowest common.
अब आप 15 के टेबल में नेक्स्ट नंबर ढूंढ लीजिए. That will be the common multiple. 15 के टेबल में नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आता है, जल्दी बताओ.
Sir, 30.
15 का नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल इज 30. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. 15 into 2 कर लिया, 30 आ गया. 15 into 3 कर लिया, कितना आ गया? 45. 15 into 4 कर लिया, कितना आ गया? 60. So 45 is the next one is 60. इसके बाद भी लिख सकते हैं 75 and so on. These are the common multiples. हमको सिर्फ 4 लिखने थे. So how to find common multiples, have you all understood? एक निकाल लो बस, उसके बाद आप उसका टेबल देखेंगे, then you will get all the answers. Have you all understood or not? Okay, so write down this in your copies, everyone.
Sir, the two lowest common multiples are 15, 30 and 30.
There is only one least common multiple which is 15. LCM हमको मिल गया है 15, but हमें आगे भी लिखना है. We have to write 4 common multiples. So 15, 30, 45, 60 यहाँ तक लिखना है. 75 is not required. सिर्फ 4 लिखने थे. So these are the
Sir, I
common
have done.
multiples. Done? Okay. Arhan, are you doing it in your copy?
Sir, a little bit is left.
Okay, do the second and third part, all of you. उसके बाद हम लोग check करते हैं. Do the second and third part, everyone. in your copy. After that, we will be checking.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I found the second LCM.
All of you do the second and third part yourself. After some time, I'm giving you some time to do these parts. Uske baad we will be checking these answers. Okay. I will be asking the answers from you all. Done both the questions? All of you, second and third?
Yes, sir.
What are doing?
Have you all done the second one?
Sir, I
Sec-
have done both.
Very good, Vamika. What about the rest? The rest of you have done the second one or not?
Sir, not till now.
अभी तक नहीं करा. The numbers are 6 and 12. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18. 3 लिख लेते हैं बस. Multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, and so on. Common multiples. We can see that 12 is a common multiple. बस एक पता
Sir, it's
चल जाए हमको.
36. The 12 twos are 36 also.
Yes. 12, then 12 into 2, 24. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. Answers. It was very easy. You all are taking a lot of time. Understood, all of you, or not? Have you all got it or not?
Yes, sir.